G'day mates. Thought I'd start today's video with just giving you a little bit of an update of what's been happening in my life lately. I know I've been a little bit absent from social media and YouTube and the like, so there's been a bit going on, some good, some not so good. So last week was our 11-year wedding anniversary, which was pretty special. Sarah and I have actually been together almost 20 years now, so we got together really young and still going strong. So that was great, had a great day. And then early on in this week, Sarah got a little bit of a sniffle, a sore throat, and did a rat test, and you know what that means. So she's got the bug, unfortunately, and the rest of us, we're doing fine. We've been doing rat tests every day. Everyone's nice and healthy, so not sure how we're not catching it, but we're not catching it for the time being, so fingers crossed. Although in saying that, I feel like I almost want to get it. I know that sounds pretty shit, but I kind of just want to get it over and done with, and then I know it's going to happen at some stage, so may as well just get it, and then at least I know who I've caught it from. Good mate of mine, and then I can move on with a bit of natural immunity. Anyway, that's what's been happening. So it's been a bit going on, but today, back on the CPAP train. Now, you're all familiar with this device, I'm sure. I am going to be doing some live streams on this device, probably this week. Do a little bit of a Uncle Nico masterclass where I'll take you through it, live stream it, stop in different points. You can ask questions and we can learn about the machine together, and hopefully you can pick up a few tips on how to set it up correctly, how to use it, how to wash it, and so on. But today, I'm rambling. I want to show you what you can do if you don't want to use this section here, all right? The humidifier section. So if you don't want to use this machine with humidification, some people don't want to use humidification because they don't like it. They don't like the hassle. They don't like the warm, moist air. They can't be bothered filling it up. All right, so there's plenty of those people out there who just go, stuff it, I don't want it. For other people, they might want to not use humidification if they were going traveling or if they were going camping and they wanted to use it with a battery system. I'm gonna stone that crow. Now, so this is a great battery that we have here in Australia. I'm trying to get it over to the US. It's a RemSleep AirPro 720. The beautiful thing about this battery is it's a really great size, so it'll run an AirSense 10 for a few nights in a row without needing to charge it. It's got wireless charging, so you can charge your iPhone, just whack it on there, it'll charge. But the best thing about it is it's a multi-volt battery, so you can change the voltage from 12, 16.5, 20, 24. This is a 24 volt machine, so we just change the voltage. I might just do it now, eh? So, all right, so you can see there, that's running perfectly fine, straight 24 volts into the machine. So there's no conversion going on there. We're not jumping up the 12 volt in a caravan to 24 volts using a converter, straight out 24 volts. Now, the great thing is if in the future something changes and they go back to 12 volts, or you get a 12 volt machine, maybe you get a Z2, which is a 12 volt machine, you can use the battery for both. So you could have an AirSense 10 at home, and then if you get a blackout, you can whack this on 24 volts. And then if you've got a little Z2, which is a 12 volt machine, you can use that when you go camping. And this sort of a battery will run a Z2 for 3 to 4 nights on a single charge. Brilliant. Anyway, hopefully in the coming months, we can get these into the States for you guys in the States. Now, what you can do if you don't want to use your humidifier is you can get this part from ResMed. It's a side cover. It's part 37303 here in Australia. I think it should be the same in the States, but don't worry, I'll put links in the description of the video if you want to pick one up. But what you can do is you can just take out your humidifier chamber, grab your side cover, and just whack it in there. All right, and now you don't need to worry about the humidification side of things. It also makes the machine a little bit smaller, so it's a little bit more portable, and it also makes the machine a little bit quieter, which is another benefit. When you have this chamber, especially if you're not going to fill it up with water, this big space here, that air is just going to bounce off the walls and make the therapy a bit noisier. So by having this cover in here, it is going to make the machine quieter. It does use sound abatement foam on the side of the panel here. Right, you can't see it, but it's in there. So there is sound abatement foam in there. But as we all know, ResMed foam's pretty good, eh? All right, so that's a really cool thing. Some of you might not know that, but if you're wanting to use your machine without a humidifier and you don't want to fill it up, you can just grab that plate, whack it in. It's very, very cheap. And then you've got yourself a nice little portable AirSense 10. Anyway, guys, have yourselves a lovely day. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you soon. Bye.